Hey guys, and welcome to this video. Today I'm here in the nature because I thought this would fit pretty good to this video right now, which is a tutorial how to meditate. Because a lot of my friends and family asked me how I meditate. Now that I've done it for a year, and it's not that difficult really. So I'm just gonna tell you right now actually how to do it, and that is, you just close your eyes and focus on one thing. So you can focus, for example, on the sounds around you, like this, or you focus on your breath. And this is the best thing actually to do, to just focus on your breath. And that's basically how you meditate, because your mind is always thinking about so many things at a time, and meditating is just for you to take a break and not to think about as many things as you normally do. So when you focus on your breath, you gotta really take a slow breath in, like this. And a really slow breath out. You wanna really pace yourself and calm your heart rate to a really low rate, so that you are really calm, focused on your breath. And if you start focusing on your breath is also really difficult. So what you can do to support that is to visualize how the breath is going in. So you visualize how the breath is going through your nostrils, down your throat to your lungs, and visualize how it's spreading in your body. And as you exhale, you imagine the same thing. So you imagine going out through your nostrils, for example. And that's basically how you meditate. And normally it takes like 5 to 20 minutes to notice a really big difference. So I would recommend to you just to try it for the first weeks, maybe just 5 minutes. And after that, you know what you gotta focus on, and then you can take maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. So just to take an example right now, I'll just meditate for 1 minute or something like that, and then you can see how I do it, how my breath is. And what is really important also if you meditate is that you don't lie, because most of my friends or most people actually fell asleep or are falling asleep when you try it like that. So try it when you're sitting, or I'm right now here in lotus position, which is really good to not fall asleep. Because as you calm yourself, of course, you're gonna be tired if you are laying down. So I'm just gonna start right now with meditating, and then you have an example how I do it. So, that's my example of meditating. I hope this helped you. And as you noticed, maybe I am always breathing through my nostrils and not through my mouth, because you can focus much easier on your breath when you're breathing through your nostrils, as you will have more feelings. For example, when I focus on my breath, I also focus on the feeling of the air going through the nose, and it helps much more to just not to get distracted by anything. But what really is important, that you just keep on doing it, and not give up, because of course you will be distracted by a lot of thoughts. Nobody's perfect, and even me, after 1 year of meditation, I still get distracted of things when I'm thinking about things, and then I notice, oh damn, I'm not meditating anymore. But that's the thing, you want to pace yourself, you want to get your focus on only one thing, and while doing that, you will be much calmer in your real life, in your normal circumstances, and you are not as emotionally attached to circumstances. I'm much calmer and much more objective when it comes to like problems or circumstances where I normally would have strong emotions. So that's my video. So I hope you liked it. It helped you. And if you have any questions regarding that, please write in the comments. I will try to get to you. And I also have another video where I talk about my experience of this 1 year meditation. You can check that out in my channel or in the description box. And with that, I say thanks. Have a great day. Enjoy your week.